Good evening. My name is Shaida Mabunla. I'm a 34-year-old wife and mother to two beautiful children. I am an aspiring entrepreneur because I have been working in the food industry, hospitality. I love cooking, I love creating food, I like trying new dishes, I like experimenting with some healthy, delicious food. I recently ventured into starting something like just selling takeaways from home, and I saw that it has the potential to turn into a tangible business that can deliver huge profits, because where I'm currently based is a place where they need something like takeaway, and there's a huge potential for making business because the place also has a golf course. It's used by the South African Defence Force because I reside in the military base in Bloemfontein, as well as it has the potential to turn into a big business because there's also people from the outside public that comes in to play golf and to visit people. There is definitely a need of a place that can provide clean, fresh, delicious food to the military base, besides the food that they get in the infantry in the base. People normally go out of ways to go and have some takeaways. I experimented with selling some braai meat at 80 rand per plate on a Friday, and it is selling like hotcakes. The only thing that I'm lacking now, I need of equipment as well as some um, capital to purchase like ingredients and stuff. And then I have the expertise of cooking the food myself, preparing it, distributing it, and then I just need the assistance with some capital as well as some machinery and stuff to make my dream a realize like turn my dream into reality. So the potential is there, the dream is there. The only thing that I need is some funding. Thank you for listening to my video and getting to know me. I hope that you can give me a chance, and I hope to hear from you guys soon. Thank you very, very much for this opportunity. I really appreciate it, and I will promise to do the best of my ability if I can just get the chance to turn my dreams into a realization. Thank you.